morning. I'm meteorologist Beau. It is February 1st, 2023. Cannot believe that it's February already. Seems like we just had Christmas. We take a look at the weather map this morning, and strong high pressure continues to build southward into Illinois, Missouri, the Missouri and Ohio Valley. We have this frontal system to our south, and that is producing the wintry mix, ice and snow across a significant portion of Texas, Arkansas, even into Louisiana. Series after series of weather events over the past few days. This is number 4, wave number 4 of precipitation. The good news is our forecast should verify that this strong high pressure will shunt this last system farther south, and it will simply brush our region with the possibility of some freezing drizzle, freezing mist tonight into tomorrow morning. But the bulk of the system will stay to our south. There is officially still a winter storm warning, an ice storm warning for the Missouri Boot Heel and Northwest Tennessee, but they simply kept that not for new ice, but because it's so bad outside and so slick and icy. There's been thousands of car accidents over the past 72 hours across a large chunk of the Arklatex into the Tennessee Valley in our region. Portions of I-24 were even closed last night. There are highways and interstates in Missouri that have been closed, just wreck after wreck, because it's pure solid ice. If you've been outside, it's like walking on an iceberg. There's no traction, at least where I'm at. There's no traction. It's simply a hard layer of ice, and you can just stand on it and slide downward. Be careful outside. Lots of accidents, lots of people falling on this ice and breaking bones. We take a look at radar and we put that into motion. You can see the next round of precipitation is moving out of Texas. It's about 7:30 a.m. right now. You can see this wintry mix moving out of Texas into portions of Arkansas, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama. And again, that will be shunted to our south. That's the good news. Let's take a look at some additional data. So we bring up the HRRR model, one of the high resolution models, and we move forward in time into this evening and watch to the southwest. There's our next ice storm moving through Texas into Oklahoma and Arkansas. And you see some light precip in our region. It is green here, but that would actually be likely some light rain changing to freezing drizzle. We might pop above freezing this afternoon, and then we drop below freezing tonight again. So some of that may be freezing drizzle. This one just barely brushes our region. So the Boot Heel along the Kentucky-Tennessee border southward, that's where you might see some freezing drizzle. North of there, maybe some flurries, maybe a few sleet pellets here and there, and just some fine freezing mist can't be ruled out. Remember, it only takes a little bit of freezing mist or freezing drizzle to coat those sidewalks and make them look wet. Of course, we right now have widespread ice across our region here at the Weather Observatory. As you can see, we have quite a bit of ice on the ground. And here is the good news. As we look at the satellite view, you see that moisture continuing, one storm after another streaming northeastward. The good news is that we're about to have a warming trend. As this system pushes off to the south and east over the next 24 hours, we are going to see quite a bit in the way of warmer temperatures as we move into the weekend. Now, it will be cold today. It will be cold tonight, Friday night cold. But Saturday, we start to moderate. Sunday, we moderate. By Monday and Tuesday, we may be in the 50s. And some places, I cannot rule out a 60-degree reading by Tuesday with another frontal system moving in by Tuesday night, Wednesday, and Thursday. We'll keep an eye on that. If the low pressure tracks to our north, that places us on the warm side. If it tracks to our south, we're on the cold side. But I'm forecasting it to track over us or north of us, placing us in the warm sector, and that could mean some thunderstorms. Not sure about severe weather just yet, way too soon to think about that, but showers and thunderstorms. Obviously, all of this ice is going to melt away over the coming days. We just got to get through today, tonight, and tomorrow. Numerous school closings today, numerous school closings tomorrow, and some of you are going to be out of school Friday as well. That makes for some 6 days, 6 total days out of school, okay? So better weather, warmer weather is on the way. I know that many of you will appreciate that. By the weekend into next week, much warmer weather. This will all be but a memory. Have a good day. Be careful out there. Watch your step. Don't fall on the ice. And be careful if you have to travel. Have a nice day.